MJC on your radio. Coming through your screen, I'm about to steal the show. Everything you want, I got that and more. I got the food, mukbangs, you already know. Need to be inspired, I got that for sure. I'm an entrepreneur, my cupcakes to the show. Got the hottest content, you already know. QUEE and MJC.
That's me. That's me. What's up, YouTube gang? Your girl is back with another video. What's up, YouTube gang? What is up? Your girl's back with another video. Today, we have us a seafood bowl. Okay, this is a regular seafood bowl, but we actually celebrating 7,000 subscribers. You heard that, 7,000 subscribers. Y'all, we done did the doggone thing. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm not really, anyways. If you're new here, welcome. If you're out here, welcome back. Listen, I told y'all, I'll be putting my ass in there. I got to skip my ass in there. Make sure you at least watch 10 seconds. You ain't got to watch the whole thing, but just watch 10 seconds for it, all right? You ain't got to watch the whole thing, but that's how I make my coins now. Today, we got some water in my, tumbler. We got some king crab legs, cucumbers, eggs, lemons, corn. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get into it real quick, because y'all know I had my boyfriend doing some clips for me, so we don't want to hold him up. I did put these in the oven this time. I normally don't put them in the oven, but this time I tried something new. Ouch, I'm pinching myself. Ooh, and they act like it don't want to cook. Yeah, okay, there we go. I don't know if I like them pre-cut, because it look all broke, and I don't like that. I don't think I like them pre-cut already. Yeah, because they broke. Babe. It's a little piece. The rest of it in here. Okay. I have me a spoon. I don't know why it's broke like that. Maybe I should stick to boiling them. You know, I hate boiling them because it creates so much water. Alright, let's get it. Oh, goodness. This is something today, y'all. Do you hear me? Bon appetit. Thank you, man. Yeah, it's good. I don't know why they broke like that. Why it's broke like that. These things, well, Sam's, and I'm scared to tell y'all, has them on sale for $39. So y'all better go get them. And it came with 4. So it came with one. I just had another one like that, that's small like that, in the car. And it came with this big one back here. But they all come different. So just pick what you like when you go to the store. Because you can see through the bag. It's hot right here. I feel like y'all can't see me. I get better. It's probably over there anyways. But I forgot. I hope my big crab leg ain't like the little one. Just was, because that's aggravating. But yes, y'all, we done made it to 7,000 subscribers. And I say we because you know, we can't do anything without you all watching and, you know, loving on us and commenting. We can't do anything without y'all. Period. And if anybody making it seem like that, they wrong. Ooh, it's hot. Without y'all, we won't be able to do all this. Let's see. No. I don't know if I'm able to get this out. I don't know. Maybe I let them stay in too long. You know. I put them there for 20, 25 minutes. I don't know. I'm not afraid to get in that sauce and get a little dirty. Oh, it hurt, y'all. I got a little pan back here. That's what y'all hear. We try to get every little piece of crab out, baby. Because they cost. Like I said, these weren't super expensive because before they went on sale, they was like $60. $60, y'all. One week I went, they were $60. I went back the next week. And they were 30. So put a little sauce on there like that. I knew a seed was gonna fall in. 3 of them fell. Why did that happen to me? Hey, eat this cucumber. Let's sing my song. Wait a minute. Not like a fresh. Cucumber. Y'all not saying my song. I eat them cucumber now, baby. A lot of my subscribers say they think about the cucumber song a lot. And that's what it's about, making a positive impact. That water so good. Y'all, every time I see the egg, I think about that shrimp now. Y'all watching my last few videos with the shrimp. Y'all already know what I'm talking about. I'm just wasting it everywhere, y'all. Let's do it. Yeah, I'm a little full. I didn't really eat yesterday. I don't know what I'm full for. I'll try it with some lemon. I don't think I ever tried it. I can't say that, because when I put that shrimp on there, I have tried it with lemon, so. I'm mad I'm full. So what I'm doing full? Already. Ooh, y'all, this. Ooh, spicy. I just see, with them being cut down the middle like that, it's aggravating. Oh, I'm supposed to be keeping it. Good part. And it's still not hard to me. Maybe I just found a better way of doing it. Cause it ain't looking like a better way to me, baby. Okay. Because when you put it in the boil, it holds a whole lot of water. When I say a whole lot of water, yeah, a whole lot of water. Ooh, right here. This is the clip I need. Baby. Master. Sorry, y'all. Can you come take this clip? Never mind. Yeah, come here. Look at that. Yeah. Marketing, y'all. I don't know if you heard me say come here or not. Oh, he did. Can you get this clip? Because this one look better. Sorry. Y'all, I'm already right-handed, so maybe I should grab it with my right hand. Okay, making a mess. And here I am throwing onions out everywhere. I think this is the one we should get right here. Because it's still whole, it ain't looking retarded. But I am making a mess. Are you asleep? Okay, we're just gonna do it like this because I know that's good right there. That's good. Thank you, baby. Yeah, that bite was so good. Now you would think that the rest of it would stay on him. They keep falling. Aggravating. All right. Y'all see it? I don't want to get everything else dirty up there. But here we go. Delicioso. Yeah, I'm actually doing this on my lunch break. I'm very devoted to y'all. So let's get to them 10K. Oh, you know, doing it on a lunch break. I could be in there laying down. I'm just playing. This needs to get done. I was supposed to do it last night, but circumstances, and here I am doing it now. Because we got to get it out. Got to get it out. You don't want too much fat on there, okay. It's some fat. That's the fat right there. Can't be scared to get in there. I mean, I'm full, y'all. I ate some cereal this morning, so I wonder, am I full because I ate cereal? I ate cereal 11. This was 1 something. So I don't understand. And me drink water, I don't make it no better. I had this big old knuckle back here. I don't think I can eat it. I think I'm too full. I'll see if I got some more room in a minute. Y'all know I gotta eat this corn. I don't think I got room for the egg. I'm actually full, which is crazy. Y'all know this corn be my favorite. Let's do it. Let's do it. My face. I was finna try to bounce it on my finger. Ooh, yeah. I don't know what I can do with this. So I eat 3 things for dinner. 4 things for dinner. Yeah, I'm literally super full. Like, I ate the cereal because I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna do the video. But the thing is, y'all, I normally don't eat lunch. I normally eat cereal in the morning and then eat for dinner. Because that's how I was keeping my weight down and getting my weight down back in when I was trying to lose some weight. Whew. Y'all know I'm full when I don't eat all my corn. It might be a water as well. Do I want that cucumber? I don't want to be full like a tick. I'm on a bus. So y'all listen. Let me give y'all a word for today because I ain't thought about it yet. Sometimes you just gotta stop. Just stop what you're doing and observe. Observe and stop what you're doing. Because just like me being full, if you keep eating, you're going to be miserable. So sometimes you need to stop and you need to take a rest and observe. Because if you keep going, you might get burnt out. Don't get me wrong. Sometimes you got to push yourself to keep going so you can get done what you need to get done. But sometimes you need to rest. You need to take some time for yourself and just rest. Whether you are a mother, sometimes you need to tell them kids, all right, go sit down. I need some time for myself. You're a grandmama, hold on, go sit down. I need some time for myself. Friends, girlfriend, boyfriend, cousin, niece, nephew. Sometimes you have to take a rest. And sometimes y'all got to learn how to say no. I am bad at saying no. I'll do something if I don't feel like doing it. I do it still. And be complaining about the whole time. So, make sure you know how to say no in this season. No, I cannot. No, I cannot. No, I cannot. Somebody ask for some money. No, I cannot. If you got it, give, then give it. But if not, no, I cannot. Sometimes we are so good, so much of a good person. We put others before ourselves and we be miserable. Don't do that. Okay? I still learn. I'm still learning day by day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. Hopefully, y'all next time I eat all my food, you know, normally I don't make a video until maybe after work, or I make a video when I'm not working. I don't ever make a video on my lunch break, which this shows y'all dedication. So if y'all don't see this and y'all don't like and comment and subscribe, I don't know. Do that for me. I want to get to 10K by the end of the year. I know it's not impossible. I know I just need to put the work in to get that done. I love you guys so much. I hope what I said today helped you all out. Y'all pray for me. I pray for y'all. It ain't no good prayer. Keep it to yourself, baby. Till the next time. Peace out.